In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your door weather strip seal. We are working with an extended cab truck here, but the same process will apply whether you have a single cab, extended cab, or even a crew cab. This procedure will apply to the F-250 from 2008 to 2010. Let's get started. To start, we need to remove this trim piece at the bottom here. Sometimes you can just grab it by hand and pull it up. Other times you might need a trim tool. And now what you want to do is just lift up the seal and peel it off all around the door. There it is. There's the old one. Now when you put the new seal on, make sure you don't line it up with the seam of the door, the rear door, which is right about here. So start it closer to the front door, or you could go into the rear door. But don't line up the seam with the door because that'll create a weak spot and probably a leak. Go ahead and press it on all the way around. This being the extended cab, is going to have the striker right here for the rear door. And the only way to get around that, unless you want to remove it, which is not worth it, because what you can do, you can spray some silicone spray in there or put silicone paste in. That'll make it easier to slide. All you have to do is just slide it through like this. Back at the bottom here, you'll notice some extra material. You can just cut it off, make sure it's as flush as you can get it, and definitely use some metal cutters because in here, it's not just rubber, it's going to have metal wires that help it stay in place. All right, look at that, perfect cut. Now just put this trim piece back. Now you can go ahead and close your doors, and hopefully you'll have no more leaks.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.